Hi, my name is Ned, and this is 365 Careers PowerPoint course. Our goal is to take your PowerPoint skill set from novice to professional in under 7 hours. A few words about me. I have a master's in finance and have worked in world-renowned companies like PwC and Coca-Cola. And this is where I learned firsthand how important it is to create professional and well-structured PowerPoint slides. And I'll be happy to teach you everything I've learned. Given that the course is composed of two main blocks, working in PowerPoint and business presentation design, I am very happy to have a co-instructor who will teach presentation design subtleties. So, I would like to present you my colleague, Peter.
A very warm welcome to the course from me, too. I'm Peter, and I have significant experience in the investment banking industry, where presentation design is one of the key skills you need on a daily basis. I have served as the Vice President of Investment Banking Operations at HSBC and will be happy to share with you some of the key principles I've learned throughout my years of experience. Moreover, in the second part of the course, we will create a complete company presentation step by step with no steps skipped. The company profile we will prepare will be for Nestlé, the global food and drink company headquartered in Switzerland. I'm sure this will be an invaluable exercise as I will walk you through the entire thought process involved in creating a company profile, and we will spend a significant amount of time discussing the type of content that goes into a company presentation. So, see you in the second part of the course. Until then, I'm sure that Ned is going to get you ready in terms of PowerPoint skills.
Of course I will, Peter. As you can see, we have lots of work ahead of us. Dive straight in and let's begin this journey together.